A small bird can cause serious issues like engine failure in aircraft, primarily through the following mechanisms. Engine ingestion. When a bird is sucked into the engine, it can disrupt airflow and cause damage to the engine components, including blades and fans. Foreign object damage (FOD). The impact of a bird can cause physical damage to critical engine parts, leading to performance issues or complete failure. Loss of thrust. Even a small bird can affect the engine's efficiency. If the engine is damaged, it may lose thrust, which can impact the aircraft's ability to climb or maintain altitude. Multi-bird strikes. If multiple birds hit the engine simultaneously, the cumulative damage can be much greater, increasing the likelihood of a significant failure. Emergency situations. In the event of a bird strike, pilots may need to perform an emergency landing or divert, which can be challenging depending on the flight phase and location.